my all. But it seems like that's not enough. Letting you get all of me. A lot of things that change from what I see. Is this the way it's supposed to be?
Are you in that mood yet? One more get. Are you in that mood yet?
Look, they say tomorrow's not promised, but if it was, I wouldn't get open. Wouldn't get soup, them shits was made to be broken. Remember coming up, dudes talking about hoes boasting. I was just a juvenile moving in slow motion. I dropped out of school to be a dude with mad jewelry. Once I got it, shit wasn't even cool to me. I dreamt of condos and video vixens, until I learned most of the girls in videos is pigeons. I just wanted the world to see that I was for real with it. Wanted a deal, I got it and couldn't deal with it. I want me and my old homeboys to still kick it. I wish they saw me as mouse and not a meal ticket. Let the beat play. I wish I could see a day with no he say, she say. Just wanna see Trey. Wanna play the hood and not fuck with the toasters. A middle child. Wish me and my brothers was closer. I wanna scream at her, catch myself before I start to. And then remember, it takes two people to argue. All she do is provoke me. All I do is diss her. All I did was shake her. She say that I hit her. She just taking everything I say out of context. I'm trying not to black. I'm like a nigga with a complex. Was mad as a fuck. Didn't even show it. Yesterday was better off. Didn't even know it. Complete role reversal, so it's useless these days. TV got real. Music went bang, bang. Please help her for God's sake. When I proposed to the game, I figured life was merry. 5 years later, I'm feeling like Tyler Perry. Maybe I'm exhausted, maybe I just lost it. Maybe I should pick up a pen and try and force it. Same old story, guts and no glory. They try and lowball me, do 'em like Joe Torre. I reintroduce myself to the world, I'm Jers. I'm an artist, I paint pictures, I don't rhyme words. More than a rapper, I pay attention to detail. But how I do in retail tells me if I prevail. Leonardo ain't see these trials and tribulations. Foul situations with some L stipulations. I feel like being an addict is a curse. It's something about dude that makes bad shit worse. There's three types of niggas in this world, you know. So you either gonna make shit happen, watch shit happen, or not know what happened. And so I couldn't just sit there like fuck rapping. There's dudes with problems I couldn't imagine having. If I had to have them, I couldn't fathom me lasting. Like I used to bump into Tammy in the club. A few of them, she even helped a nigga get in. See a person long enough, you know you bound to get fly with them. Care for them, be more than high and vibe with them. It's been a while, I can't front like I ain't phased. She was my reality check, cause we the same age. I mean, she put on a show that you can't stand. She made the shit sound effortless. I was damn near in tears checking my messages. I got goosebumps all over my skin. She said, Mouse, I highly doubt that I'll ever see you again. Hope everything is well, kid. You see, I'm just finding out I had a brain tumor, but I never felt it. The doctor's giving me 3 weeks to live, not 3 weeks till I die. That's 3 weeks to give. I just wanna tell you that I love you and I care. I wish you all the best throughout the rest of your career. And then she broke into tears. I pressed 7, took the phone from my ears. Sometimes the simplest of things people needed, but I ain't called back in fear of being speechless. What was I to put her at ease with? I pick a real bad time to be strategic. I think my life's bad picking up the pieces. Some folk already got their appointment to see Jesus. In this world full of diseases, I've learned not to bite my tongue or have seizures. Depression tells me I suck, so I reply, I ain't care cause I fell down, I'm here cause I got up. And then I'm going back and forth with ransom. Shit came out of nowhere, was real random. According to him, I'm responsible for Jers too. I never helped niggas, how the fuck you think they heard you? Motherfuckers got a lot of nerve, dude. I was the nigga believed in you spitting. Had to con the industry just so they would listen. But go ahead, you just gon' wreck yourself. How is you protecting me? You can't protect yourself. Keep the lies to a minimal. Just read your interview. And can't help but ask what's gotten into do. Media training, but he don't know how that go. Will help you come across not sounding like an asshole. In my past though, been in jail, I ain't enjoy it. So why would I stand behind a mic and exploit it? I ain't ignorant, just cause I exercise spiritually. They try to ignore how I exercise lyrically. I thought I had a great job, Back when niggas loved the culture, wasn't in it for the money like an A-Rod. Even when I'm spitting about current events, it's a sublime saying, who's more current than him? So I'm wondering if a higher power's trying to undermine. When you shoot for the stars, sometimes you're gonna jam. I ain't been a summer jam. I learned from Lupe. When you dumb it down, it's just harder to understand. 2008, foes is still near me, so you could think we're tight as a fuck. I'm still weary. The ghetto boys say it's all in the mind. Certain wounds only heal over time. No shame in my game, no pain, no gain. And since I ain't seen a profit, I figured God would stop it. Waiting on the alley, niggas just won't lob it. I'm still a risk taker, let me put it in words. Can't steal second base and keep your foot on first. Been about 10 years since I was high off the angel. Now I'm walking side by side with an angel. In front of my eyes, that prize keep getting dangled, but can't grab at it, my pride is being strangled. Working shorty nerves like a personal trainer. But it's me, it's personal, it ain't hard. Friends keep telling me leave her, I won't. Cause she sees something in me that I don't. And I see something in her that y'all won't. If you've never been in love, don't tell me I'm wrong. See, I preach gratitude, she keeps the attitude. Argue long enough and that shit become laughable. My norm now, since for her it's so natural. Wish I could tell her to all the niggas after you. So not compatible, that we compatible is nothing else in this world that we would rather do. Anybody out there relate to my pain? Turn the music up, let me know that I'm sane. We broke up, bitches was staring at my chain. Dude was fucking you, but staring at my name. But we ain't gotta entertain all that. Back like we never left, we overcame all that. Fuck who made better tacos or who asked fatter. Let's live for now, right now, none of that matters. Keep bringing it up, it's gon' backlash us. Why am I meeting so many backstabbers? Why when I'm about to crash I go faster? Past is a disaster when your house is see-through. Learn to close your eyes in case the glass shatters. Just saying, there's always a million more pages when my stupid ass keep